Hi everyone, I'm Zixing Wu. This is my FE presentation. This is problem set 1, question number 6. The problem statement says, given a nominal interest rate of 5% compounded continuously, how much would we own a loan of 500,000 after 6 years? We're gonna use this formula. A equals P times E to the power of R times T, where A is the amount we are looking for, P is the principal, which was equal to 500,000, R is the rate of the interest, which is 0.05, T is the times, which is 6. Well, so we plug in the numbers. We got A equals 500,000 times E to the 0.5 times 6. We are round to 675,000. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful.